Hey, it's Ben. I've got these work boots. The company sent these to me in exchange for this review. So let's take a look and see what we think.
Okay, so coming out of the box, this is what they look like. Mine were already laced up, which is handy. What strikes me right away is how light they are. For being steel-toed, these are much lighter than I would expect. The laces are good quality and strong, and by the way, they also provide an extra set of laces, which I think was pretty nice. The shoes are said to be water resistant. I haven't tested that out. Now, looking at the bottoms, these are also said to be puncture proof with a layer of Kevlar. They look and feel like a kind of a plastic, so I was a bit surprised by that, and surprised it wasn't more of like a rubbery, grippy type of material. But in general, they have a good look. It seemed to be put together well. They are also high tops, so they offer more ankle support, and there is some reflective material as well. To show you the steel reinforced toes, I hit these with a mallet. They for sure will offer a degree of protection to your toes. So this would give me peace of mind on a job site for sure. I put these on and I'd say they're very comfortable. You can feel how light they are as well. They look pretty good, so I'd say this is a decent pair of shoes if you need an extra bit of protection around a job site or just working around the house, working outside. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.